I've always tried to get the most out of the hardware I own. But with local AI, I kept hitting the same annoying choice. Run the model I actually wanted and accept slow CPU offloading, or drop to a smaller quant because that was all the usual deployment controls could handle comfortably. So, when I tried to run Gemma 426B on my local 5060 Ti, it made me question that trade-off. It is sparse, and its router already chooses only a few experts. But I found that layers reported as GPU offloaded could still send the expensive expert work back through the CPU. The problem was not the router, it was where the work lived. So I came up with the idea of predictive caching. What if we could predict where the experts needed to be exactly for optimal performance and move them before they were needed anyway? And GPT 5.6 helped turn it into a sequence of experiments. Codex with GPT 5.6 Soul handled the engineering loop, isolated branches, llama.cpp instrumentation, traces, cache prototypes, parity checks, VRAM measurements, benchmarks, and all the small fixes between them. When an idea failed, it kept the evidence instead of trying to make the story look cleaner. So the entire project took more than a billion tokens to complete in the span of a couple of days. So here is something concrete. This command checks the exact model and runtime, then starts fresh match stock and expert flow processes with the same prompt and settings. So as we can see, stock finished at 21.4 TPS and expert flow reaches 20.26.9 TPS. This is one live rehearsal on my machine, not the headline benchmark, and the raw results are saved automatically. The proper result comes from the 10 match 512 token pairs, 28.13 TPS against 22.967 stock. That is a mere 22.48% improvement on the same 16 gig GPU. What surprised me is that Clever Cache was not the winner. Reactive loading, prediction, and asynchronous sidecars all thought of something, but transfers and bookkeeping kept eating that benefit. That failure exposed the simpler opportunity, placement itself. And thus, Expert Flow became a placement compiler. It profiles the model and machine, measures which complete expert banks remove the most CPU work per byte of VRAM, keeps a safety reserve, and emits the plan before graph construction. These 12 Q6 banks are the plan compiled for this GPU, not a universal list of magic layers. I also wanted this to be more than a private runtime patch. Judges can replay the hash checked evidence without the model or a GPU. Inspect compatible hardware, generate a deployment, run it locally, or expose through an OpenAI compatible server. These are the three proof paths. Replay the committed evidence, run the live match test, or rebuild the pinned llama.cpp patch series. The headline number connects all the way back to exact commands and raw results. So to close, Expert Flow lets me keep the higher quality model I wanted and use my GPU where it matters most. That is what Codex helped me turn into a real made product.